Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 screen flickering issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here open messages. Now go to the storage of messages and now clear the app data and cache memory of messages. And after that, go back and now click on General Management and then click on Reset. Now here scroll down and click on Reset All Settings. Now again click on Reset Settings to confirm.